The inevitable question is there life in the desert? Undoubtedly so, much more than that apparent great void suggests. It is true that biomass is scarce and that its biodiversity is relative, as is the case in Antarctica. But deserts and polar masses teach us about the value of species during their adaptive processes, as they constitute the last biomes to be colonized by living beings, even in the abysses of the oceans. As in the bottom of the oceans, the fauna of the desert has also become proverbially used to the conditions of this extreme ecosystem, adapting their bodies to the rigors of permanent sunstroke and total aridity. Animals that live in this arid universe have developed ingenious mechanisms that take maximum advantage of the scarcity of water and the difficulty of finding food. The great mammals and herbivores that populate the arid savannas that border deserts defend themselves from sunstroke by resting in the middle hours of the days and actively seeking food at sunrise or sundown. Birds, and especially reptiles and rodents, have developed adaptation mechanisms that allow them to survive in the most adverse conditions.